Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the tub cap on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn Air, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new tub cap for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The tub cap is a plug that covers the screw hole openings for the side mounting screws. This part is normally replaced because it is damaged or missing. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. The tub cap is located here on the side of the dishwasher's housing. To remove, use a flathead screwdriver to pry away from the side of the dishwasher. If you need to purchase a new tub cap, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the new tub cap to the dishwasher's housing so that the flat side of the cap is pointed towards the back side of the dishwasher. Then, press until it snaps into place. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.